G'day, I'm Kieran Bourke and this is Clonlara Farms. We're farming here in Pihama, milking 450 cows, calving in the autumn, 115 hectares. So originally we were looking to install AfiCollar just here on the home farm with the winter mating, and we just found the first couple of winters mating was quite challenging with a lot less sunlight, a lot less energy and quieter heats. So we decided to go for the collars to basically eliminate that factor for us. So we started with Afimilk probably 8 years ago as well, and we put in a drafting gate and weigh scales. So that was our introduction to Afimilk. So we've done 4 full matings with them on both farms, put them on at the same time. Yeah, I think they've been a real great asset. From the start we got all the software and that basically enabled anything to be added on since. So the collars just slotted straight into that. And there's a number of other things. We could go down the milk meter path and the AfiLab, and that's just basically adding the hardware to the shed, and the software's all there just to click in and get running. So we're running 2 mobs here, and the Afi system recognises that, so we treat each mob individually. Traditionally we wouldn't see anything until we'd physically see issues with cows, whereas now we're trying to preempt it with the data we've got. So we had a cow number 294 come onto the health report this morning, and she's showing up as low rumination. So she's over here. We're going to put her in for a draft tonight. So after milking she'll draft out, and we'll bring her in and we'll give her a calcium bolus with some energy in it, and that'll help get her rumination back on track and get her back into producing milk. Lots of times we've found early cases of mastitis. Some of them we can just cure by stripping them out and making sure they're well milked out, and some get early treatment of penicillin and recover a lot faster. On the other farm it's 3.5 hour milkings in the mornings, 730 cows. We'd traditionally have one person standing on a platform for that whole 3.5 hours just looking at tail paint. You can't tell me their concentration was there for 3.5 hours, whereas now it's just all in the hands of the collars. It's peace of mind. Anyone can milk. The cows are in the pen at the end of milking, and you know what's drafted, a very accurate description of who's on heat. I guess the bigger view with the Afimilk is that you're not limited to just a collar. There's a whole lot more you can add into it. Any technology to make staff life easier is positive, because the amount of labour out there is getting less and less and harder to find. And I just think the more attractive you can make your farm to the labour force, the better we're all going to be.